Right, so Anthropic just quietly opened up one of the biggest side hustle opportunities I've seen in years, and almost nobody's talking about that. Claude can now build, edit, and automate 3D models inside Blender, all from a chat prompt, which means if you've ever wanted to sell digital assets, 3D printables, or game-ready models online, the barrier just dropped to basically zero. Let me show you how this actually works.
Tapping, what's good? We in the feed for the real ones. Same face, new clip. Fresh take, clean run. Tom's AI insights. Think smarter, build faster.
Okay, so here's what actually happened. On the 28th of April, Anthropic released a Blender connector for Claude. And this isn't some surface level toy. It plugs directly into Blender's Python API, which means Claude can analyze a 3D scene, debug it, batch apply changes across loads of objects at once, and even add new tools straight into Blender's interface. So instead of spending 3 years learning Blender, you describe what you want, and Claude does the heavy lifting. Now here's where it gets really interesting. There's a massive global market for 3D models right now. CGTrader, TurboSquid, Sketchfab, these platforms pay creators every time someone downloads their files. Then you've got the 3D printing world. Etsy, Cults 3D, My Mini Factory. People are selling printable miniatures, jewelry, home decor, all of it. And game developers will pay good money for assets they don't have time to model themselves. So picture this. You spot a trend, say collectible miniatures based on a niche fandom. Old school, you'd need months of Blender skills to even attempt it. With this connector, you describe the model to Claude in plain English, it generates the Python script, Blender builds it, and you iterate until it's right. Then you export, upload to a marketplace, and let it sell while you sleep. That's not theory. People are already doing this with earlier tools. Now look, I'm not going to sit here and tell you this is a magic money button because it isn't. Your first models will look rough. You'll need to learn how to write prompts properly, how to optimize files for printing or for game engines, and how to actually market what you make. But the technical barrier, the bit that used to take years, that's gone. What's left is taste, hustle, and figuring out what people want to buy. And those things you can learn fast. So who should care about this? Honestly, anyone with a creative idea and zero 3D skills, hobbyists who want a side income, designers who want to add 3D to their offering, Etsy sellers ready to move beyond print-on-demand t-shirts, even kids' parents making custom toys. The barrier was always Blender itself. It's notoriously hard to learn. With Claude doing the technical lifting, the playing field just opened up to literally anyone who can describe an idea. Right, practical bit. If you want to test this, you need 3 things: a Claude account, Blender, which is completely free to download, and the Blender connector, which Anthropic released free across all Claude plans. Set it up, pick one tiny project to start with, maybe a simple keyring or a phone stand, and just see what's possible. The people who win with new tools are always the ones who actually try them in the first week. So that's the real story. Claude plus Blender just turned 3D modeling from a years-long skill into a prompt away. If you've been sitting on a creative idea, now's genuinely the moment to test it. Drop a comment with what you'd build first if you could just describe it and watch it appear. Hit subscribe for more AI side hustle breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.
Tapping, what's good? We in the feed for the real ones. Same face, new clip. Fresh take, clean run. Tom's AI insights. Think smarter, build faster.